Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Burt. Welcome to the first video in the series on Quick Q software that we're going to be using to produce our light shows for our light and sound engineering project this term. So the first step, this video is about downloading the software. So just go to Google, type in Cham Sys with a H. We want the Quick Q software, not the Magic Q software. So Quick Q. All right, then we're going to choose this first option here. Scroll down, free Quick Q software download. And then we're given three options here. This is the console software. Now, your computer isn't a console. The console is the big piece of equipment that would be in a theatre that you can control the light show from. But for now, we just want to design our light show. So we want the designer, and now either a Windows version or a Mac version, depending on what computer you've got. So I'm going to choose Windows and click download. Then you're going to need to put your email address in and then download. And that will happen over at the side here. Now hopefully your settings will allow this through. It is perfectly safe. So I'm just going to go keep here. And keep anyway, open file. And this is trying to stop me, but I know it's safe, so I'm going to run it anyway. All right, so then I'm going to agree, and then I'm going to install it. Let me just wait for that to happen. Okay, I'll close that. Now, to find and open this on your computer, just go to your little Windows icon, your Start menu, and scroll down until you find Cham Sys Quick Q Designer. Click on that. And we just want the Quick Q Designer, this one here. If you get stuck at any time, there is a manual that you can also access there. We don't want the remote, we want the designer. So I'm going to click on that. And then it will open. All right, now it might open differently for you. Now I've obviously had something in this before. Yours will open blank. But I'll do another video on what to do once we're in here, but that is how to download and how to open from your Windows Start menu. And that's it.